Right, forgot to add gold and oil to the end of that watch list. So gold has come up one, two, three levels of rise, and it's dumped into the longs. I would argue a case for a continuation to the downside in this regard, with respect to the US dollar potentially heading higher still, and so long as we stay below yesterday's highs, then there are prospects of a continuation to the downside, with yesterday's closing price in focus, breaking then the support line here, breaking structure over here as well. So we're starting to dip our toes into bearish territory. So a pullback could be ripening us up for a downside continuation. With oil, so I've got that in day three, 1, 2, 3, 3 days of longs to short into. And then with regards to oil, I've got that down as a first green day. So we piled into those shorts. We've pulled back pretty firmly. We're dipping into last month's lows, an area of potential support considering all of this build up over here. This may well continue, no idea, but I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing some support come through and the potential for a short squeeze. If, on the other hand, we do continue to break lower and lower, then obviously that's going to play well into the bullish dollar CAD theme. And while we're here, we can look to the indexes. See if we've got any signals on the index. For me, the bias is to the downside with the NAS, with front side of this week's sell-off. And we are a first red day signal from yesterday. We are well below the closing price. If things were to flip on their head, then we've got day 1, day 2, day 3 correction to the upside, but the bias for me at the moment remains to the downside. Same scenario for the S&P and the US 30.